Hey YouTube, welcome back. This is going to be my part 2 video of my reaction video to the Liberty show from the afire explosion.
Today is the day we're celebrating another birthday for our great country. But we're also celebrating another birthday. A birthday for a symbol of freedom of America for 100 years. The Statue of Liberty. If tomorrow all the things were gone I'd worked for all my life, and I had to start again with just my children and my wife, I thank my lucky stars to be living here today, 'cause the flag still stands for freedom, and they can't take that away. American heart. Well, folks, we've come to the part of the show I know a lot of you came in here to see, the unveiling of our Statue of Liberty. But before we do, I want to ask everyone else here on stage with me, what do you think of when you hear the word liberty? Duke, what comes to mind?
I think of my country gives of the sweet land of liberty of thee I say.
I think of opportunities and success. You know, in America, anything's possible.
You know, I think of long, endless stretches of interstate.
And when I think of liberty, I think of something worth fighting for. And anybody try to take it away, just gonna have to fold them up.
We'd like to invite you all to join us now in a moment of silence as we think about how fortunate we are to be living in America. And we pray that God will always bless the USA. be free. The wretched refuse of your teenage work. Send these, the homeless, tempest-tossed to me. I lift my lamp beside the golden door.
Well, that's all for right now. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to smash a like and click subscribe for more upcoming videos. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time.